Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Boulevard by Olive Builders located in Panvel. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. From both left and right of the project, you can go towards Panvel railway station. In this teaser, we will be discussing what points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now, talking about the project overview, this project is spread across the land parcel of 5.6 acres that will have total of 7 towers of ground plus 16 floors having 1, 2 and 3 BHK residences. Also, you have Jodi options available. Speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located at Sukhapur, Panvel, from where you have Panvel railway station at a distance of 10 minutes, Navi Mumbai International Airport is at a distance of 20 minutes, Atal Setu is at a distance of 25 minutes and you have Badlapur Panvel Tunnel at a distance of 7 minutes from the project. Speaking of amenities, this project will have 30 plus amenities that will include a swimming pool, gym, clubhouse, amphitheater, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now, speaking of the configurations and the carpet areas, as said, this project has 1, 2 and 3 BHK residences with 1 BHK in the carpet area of 450 to 460 square feet, 2 BHK in the carpet area of 641 to 684 square feet and 3 BHK in the carpet area of 788 to 825 square feet. Also, you have Jodi options available. Speaking of the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount for 1 lakh for all the 8 residences. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Boulevard by Olive Builders located in Panvel.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.